Okay, so Dad's knocked up this handy little panel. I'm not sure how well you can see it with the sun, but that's going to get welded in shortly. That corner piece is in now, so we've just got a few bits to finish off in here, and then do that side as well. So let's see how today goes. Excuse me, eating a biscuit. Yeah, got to have a break every now and then. So that's all in. So I've got to make a panel now, or I should say Dad's got to make a panel now to go in here and then continue this step forward. So whilst he's fabricating that, I will be welding in the other side. Okay, cracking on with it. So this repair section's nearly in, just a few bits to finish off. I'll sort of tidy up the inside there, but pretty much there. And before Dad left, he's made up a panel to go in over there. And let me just show you the other panel. Made up that stepped bit as well to go in there. So it's all going well. So that's pretty much done now. Made a repair section, or I should say Dad made a repair section. So that's pretty much there. Well, there we go, repair panel's in place, got some primer on there, just chuck that on for now. And well, we're making progress. And there's the underneath and the inside. So it's all getting there. Need a bit more of a tidy up when we come to prep it, but let's try and get all the welding done first, and then we'll tart it up later. So this is the little repair panel that's that Dad's made up. So we'll get that welded in, hopefully. Left-handed welding. There you go. It's all capped off. And on the inside, I just got to tack along here at some stage, but maybe tomorrow. Yeah, not looking too bad. Yes, you guessed it. More welding. Oh, that's that side done. Go and do the other side. So we've managed to get the closing panel off. There's a little bit of a hole there we'll have to sort out, but hopefully we will be able to get the new bit welded in without disturbing too much. So as far as I'm concerned, that's a result. So we've got the closing panel kind of in position. So what we're going to do, you can see it's not a perfect fit yet. So we will start welding down in this corner here, which is quite good. And then as we work our way up, we'll shape everything in, which becomes obviously a lot easier as you're welding because the metal's nice and hot. So it's much easier to shape. So we'll just get that done. It's a bit confined in here, so no video, I'm afraid. There we go. There's a new closing panel in. We'll get some primer on that and then do the other side. So as we were just eyeing up the A panel, we noticed that there was some of the old A panel still on there, so we just ground that off, and now we're ready to weld the closing panel in. We've made sure we've chucked loads of paint up in behind there just to protect it all, so we'll get this in now.
Better try the door on before we go too far.
That's probably a good idea.
Let's put the other door on as well. See what that's like.